Perfect tense. I must have done, I must not have done. Must I have done, must I not have done. What must I have done, what must I not have done. You must have done, you must not have done. Must you have done, must you not have done. What must you have done, what must you not have done. He must have done, he must not have done. Must he have done, must he not have done. What must he have done, what must he not have done. She must have done, she must not have done. Must she have done, must she not have done. What must she have done, what must she not have done. It must have done, it must not have done. Must it have done, must it not have done. What must it have done, what must it not have done. We must have done, we must not have done. Must we have done, must we not have done. What must we have done, what must we not have done. You must have done, you must not have done. Must you have done, must you not have done. What must you have done, what must you not have done. They must have done, they must not have done. Must they have done, must they not have done. What must they have done, what must they not have done.